Hi guys, how you doing? So we are, when I'm doing this, heading into autumn. It's just started in winter. The press aren't particularly being helpful in terms of there's a new plague coming our way. Everyone at the minute has got COVID, not a common cold, just it's COVID. It's a common cold. So people are feeling the common cold symptoms for 4 or 5 days, as you would a common cold. And then they're back to work. So don't stress and worry yourself silly like the media seem to want you to do. However, what would I do to prevent or protect myself against things like the COVID virus, the common cold, onsets of flu and just all the nasties that go around typically this time of year? Well, I have put together an immune boost complex. Now, when I did this, I could have looked at things like, your echinaceas, your astragalus, your elderberries, your olive leaves, and beta-glucans and everything else. But I wanted something you could take all year round that's just going to support your immune system, keeping it functioning really well. Now, all those herbs and ingredients I just mentioned, brilliant. And we do, for example, a Terra Nova astragalus complex. It's got elderberry, garlic and some olive leaf and some really cool things. Amazing product. So if you get a cold or you get a virus or you get the coronavirus, that's something I would go through, and I'd go to straight away and start taking that. But I'm on about prevention and protection. So the Immune Boost Complex will actually keep your immune system firing. And what I chose from this was three ingredients that will fire and are key to keeping your immune system working efficiently and effectively. Those three products are vitamin C, vitamin D3, and zinc citrate. There's 20 milligrams of zinc, there's 500 milligrams of vitamin C, and there's 2,000 international units of vitamin D3. A 1 a day or 2 a day capsule. It's up to you. If you do 1 a day, you've got 2 months supply, and that you can take all year round to support your immune system, keeping your immune system healthy and working properly. So we're now back in stock, the Immune Boost Complex. It's something I've started taking. I noticed last week the colds, the viruses, the flus, and the coronavirus has all taken off. So Immune Boost is available now. It's brilliant. The milligramages are perfect. The dosaging is great. It will do its job in protecting you and putting that little protective bubble around you. Cheers, guys. Stay safe. Bye-bye.